This isn't your average classroom. It's one with a giant solar panel, front and center.
Essentially, it's a solar-powered generator.
So what's it doing in here?
It's an alternative energy class, so it's designed to kind of touch on all the different renewable sources that we have on Earth, as well as the non-renewable sources. So students can compare the differences.
Bradley King is a teacher at Natural Bridges High School in Santa Cruz, California.
Inside the kits, you're going to be given a few different materials.
This course is all about teaching students where energy comes from and which sources are good for the planet and which are bad.
We're trying to get students to start thinking about the environment, things they can do to preserve, things they can do to conserve.
Non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels like oil, natural gas, and coal. They're produced from animal and plant remains buried beneath the earth millions of years ago. When they're burned, they emit carbon dioxide into the air, which is a greenhouse gas. Plus, once they're used up, they're gone. Today, they're learning about cleaner, greener, renewable solutions like solar power. Solar power is getting energy from the sun, and today senior Nick Rule and his classmates are getting a hands-on lesson in how it works.
Well, we're building solar houses. One runs on a motor, and so that's active, and then the other ones was for heating water, and the other one was for lighting.
Passive solar means getting sunlight from windows, or when it's used to heat up pipes, like for solar water on a roof.
So it's up on a roof either with a black PVC pipe.
Active solar is something different.
The sun hits the panels, and the panels get the energy from the sun, and then it makes the lights.
Panels like this one are made of silicon, which converts sunlight into electricity.
That's pretty cool.
Not only is the sun a renewable resource, 16-year-old Dylan Aguayo says it's a cleaner one too.
I honestly think it is better because I think in some plants, like, they have all this smoke go up into the air and it messes with our ozone layer.
It's better than power plants and stuff like that because it's polluting the environment and stuff.
King says he hopes his students will get interested enough in clean energy to use what they're learning here in the real world.
And hopefully it'll encourage them to potentially get into a career or a job that is green.
If you like construction and you like building things, this is a really good class to take.
It's fun. It's new. You get a lot of hands-on stuff, so I like that. It's cool.
I think it's really important that in today's education and, environmental awareness and understanding what we can do to, preserve our place that we live, that it's really important for kids to start learning about that stuff.
It's an education that's giving these young minds a greener roadmap for the future.